Might as well come on the camera. You're going to be in the video. Can you guess what number this is? Video-wise?
56.
No.
49.
No.
35. Am I getting close?
No, it's 28.
I was getting closer.
You were just counting down in random
yes,
increments.
I was getting closer.
I'm not sure what we're doing today, but my goal is to cut the rest of the floor out. In order to do that, you might have to put the back of it on jack stands and take the tires off or the wheels off because I don't want to puncture a tire. Keep pushing. Okay. What were you saying?
Cutting this out for what?
Excuse me?
Cutting this out for what?
I need to cut out this entire floor. I'm not gonna have a bed in this. I'm just gonna have chicken wire.
Oh, okay.
I thought that was like a given guess. But see where the white lines are?
Yeah.
Not this white line near the doors, but inner.
Yeah.
I gotta cut a section so this frame rail comes up through the floor, which that will make the body drop down. So I have to cut all this out because if not, the tires are gonna hit. So that's what I plan to do. Spot welds. So this is overlapping here, so probably on the inside of this seam sealer. Straightest line possible. This is just reference so we know where to cut. Oh, here's all the stuff we cut out of it. All right.